Hello and welcome to this special broadcast called MC Pro Stock of the Day. I'm your host Stacey Pereira, and today we've picked for you Dabur India as our stock pick of the day. Let me give you a quick background about the company. It is a leading FMCG player and the promoters are the Burman family, which holds a 66% stake in the company. Now, it does have quite good revenues of about 11,500 crore rupees, and 75% of its revenues are derived from India, while the Middle East, Asia and Africa contribute a large proportions to its international revenues. Now, it does own 9 distinct power brands, right from healthcare to health supplements and even digestives. So what's our investment rationale based on? Firstly, it is the biggest beneficiary of a rural market recovery. Dabur delivers nearly 50% of the India revenues from the rural markets, and the company crossed nearly 1 lakh villages in FY23 compared to the 89,840 it saw in FY22. Now, it also implemented Project Yoda in order to ensure higher penetration into the rural markets. And the FMCG player has been witnessing a good improvement in trends, be it in the urban as well as rural markets in India. There are many reasons why we could see recovery in margins in the near future. For one, falling inflation can support the gross margin expansion, and in turn, gains in the gross margin can fund the higher ad spends and also support a higher operating margin. Talking about the company's quarterly performance, we are likely to see Dabur do much better in the June 23 quarter, wherein the street is expecting a consolidated revenue growth of 10% on a year-on-year basis. Now, healthcare, home and personal or HPC as we know it is likely to achieve the double-digit growth, while the brand Bacha Masala could see its growth in the high teens. We could also see its international business reporting a strong performance. So are there any factors that you need to be watching out for when it comes to Dabur? Well, if the rural markets continue to lag behind urban markets due to inflation and the downtrading, that could be a dampener. However, some green shoots from the rural markets are already visible now, and we remain cautiously optimistic on Dabur and recommend a long-term investor to add and accumulate this stock on declines. With that, it's a wrap on this edition. Thanks so much for tuning in.